Let me show you something. This is my PC, this is my GoPro. I have to transfer the files to the PC so I can edit. So I'm connecting both of them. Okay, I've connected. Now I have to turn it on. I have to press this button. Now it should connect like this. I was doing this for 30 minutes and it was not happening. It was not connecting. Now it's connected. I should record this earlier. So if you have a GoPro, then you can feel these kind of things. This is GoPro Hero 10, and I have faced this thing for, I mean, like three times since I am using this. I haven't used this a lot. I just have used it like very less. I don't use this GoPro for the vlogging. I started using this. Otherwise, I'm not using it. So thanks. It's connected. This is my task list. You can see psychology unit first. I have to revise and I have to make notes. I does not have written notes, so I have to create the note. I does not no I do not. I don't have notes and I did not create it yet. Like, this is the task of today and this is like 4 p.m., 4:27 p.m., and I haven't done yet. The second thing is Limitless chapter 17. I have completed that Limitless chapter 17 and it was very interesting. I found that what type of animal I am. Like, there was four. The first one was cheetah, and there is owl, wise owl, dolphin, and elephant. So guess what type of animal I am. After that, transfer all files from GoPro. My GoPro was like 46 GB of file. I have to transfer all those to my SD card, and that was a huge burden on me. I was not doing that. I was not transferring small task, but headache for every day. So I did it today. And code quiz was the quiz that was in Limitless chapter 17. There was a quiz and I followed that quiz, and in that quiz i found I found that I'm a wise owl. So I did these kind of things. And scholarship form, I was trying to fill the form, and as you know, this is India and Indian websites are like, I just don't want to say anything. So I tried a lot, but I could not complete that task, and I could not complete it today because the website is not working. I have to edit the vlog 10. I have to edit the lesson videos. Like, I have 3 lesson videos, but I haven't edited yet. I haven't edited yet. Yes, right. So what I'm gonna do? My friend Sakib called me and said he just wanna hang out and wanna go out. So he'll be here for like 10 to 15 minutes. So what I just want to do is, till then I want to study something. I want to make some notes on, like, the first one. I'll meet you later. Okay. So I came home, and after coming home, there were some children outside from my neighborhood. They were like saying, "I have to play. We have to play with you. We have to play with you." So I played with them, and I enjoyed a lot. They never leave me. When they see me, they never leave me. I like to play with them. So it was a fun thing. And let me show you something. What I have done. I've done almost everything. I've almost done everything. Just a single problem. The form of the scholarship was not completed, was not filled. But I've tried. And what I have to do, what I had to do, I did. And just one thing is remaining, and the thing is editing the yesterday's vlog. So I'm gonna edit that vlog and I'll try to upload it. And I also have edited the other lesson videos, and I also created a list, because in that playlist we have 32 videos. So I created something like this. If you can see, I've completed 5 lessons and I have to complete all the other remaining lessons. Now I'm gonna edit the video and I'll try to sleep because everything is almost completed. Just one thing is remaining, and I'm gonna complete that one before sleeping, before go to bed. So I'll try to meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, and Sunday is cheat day, and I'm gonna eat anything that I can. So good night, bye, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Bye. Okay. Thanks for watching.